Hello teacher, my name is Lucy. I'm 7 years old. Where from? I'm from Vietnam. What can you do? I can play the basketball. I can play swimming. I can swim. I can riding a bike. I can play the piano. I can play tennis. I can play football. Me Mira riding a bus, Susie flying the helicopter, Alex riding the motorbike, Lily riding the lorry, Stella riding the place. I can boat. Where where Grandpa in the dining room is is fish. Simon in the living room is watching TV. Susie in in the bathroom is body. Stella is in the bathroom is reading a book. Reading a book. Grandma is in the hair. It is the door. I I don't like cake. I like fish. I don't like burger. I like ice cream. I don't like chocolate. I like banana. I like apple. 3 purple hippos swimming along. A red snake was big teeth in the hat. Doll, robot, and teddy bear singing a song. A boy playing with a mouse, a sheep, and a cat. I like ball. I like play football and play. Puss, I don't like tennis. I can swim and riding a bike. Put, I can play the guitar. I like cake and burger. Eat put in put. I don't like so chocolate or ice cream. I like apple and kiwi. I eating a banana now. Goodbye, teacher.